morning, students. Now, today we are going to cover the topic zero of a polynomial of chapter 2, polynomials. How we can finding out the zero of a polynomial. So let us, we have to start with, consider the polynomial px equals to, this is a cubic polynomial. Why it is cubic polynomial? Because of the highest power of the variable is 3. That's why it is known as the cubic polynomial. Now, if we replace x by 1, everywhere in px we get, जहाँ कहीं पे भी x है, all the x is to be replacing by 1. So here it is x, so we are to taking it as p of 1 is equals to, then here it is x की जगह हमने 1 रख दिया, 1 cube minus 2 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 2. So simplifying, cube of 1 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, square of 1 is 1, minus 2 multiply करेंगे, minus 2 हो जाएगा, then 3 into 1 it is 3 and minus 2. So simplifying this one, so कौन कौन सी नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव टर्म है उनको हम जोड़ लेते हैं. तो 5 and 3 ये पॉजिटिव टर्म है, ये हो गया हमारा 8 एंड -2 and -2 दोनों नेगेटिव हैं, तो ये हो जाएगा 4 एंड फाइनली इट इज इक्वल्स टू 4. ये दिया हुआ. So when we are putting x equals to 1, the polynomial gets the value 4. Now, so we say that the value of px at x equals to 1 is, when we are substituting x equals to 1, the given polynomial has the value 4. Now, similarly, if you put x equals to 0, look at here. So यहाँ हमने क्या put किया है? Put x equals to 0. This will implying that. So we are getting it is equals to -2. There are 3 places where x are there. X. So 5 into 0 of cube minus 2 into 0 square plus 3 into 0. So all these 3 terms are become 0. And what is remaining only? So this is 5 into 0, ये term 0 हो जाएगा, then minus 0, then plus 0 and minus 2. And finally we are getting it is equals to 1. Can you find p of -1? Yes. हम इसको सॉल्व करके देखते हैं क्या आती है वैल्यू. So p at the place of x we are replacing it is -1 is equals to, so this is 5 into -1 whole cube, then -2 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 and -2. So simplify this one. -1 का क्यूब क्या होगा? माइनस होगा, -1 into 5 it is -5, then minus square of -1 is 1, 1 is multiplied to -2, it is equals to -2. This is term 3 into -1, so this is also the negative term minus, and it is equals to -2. Last term is, so all the terms are negative. Then what is 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, and 10 plus 2, 12. As all the terms are negative, so we are finding this is the value of -12. In this way, we are finding out the value of the polynomial at the given value of the x. Now, move on to the example 2. Find the value of each of the following polynomials as indicated. Value of variable. Px, the first part है, Px equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 equals to 0 at x equals to 1 पे फाइंड आउट करना है. तो मैं इसको यहीं सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. देखो, x की जगह क्या रखना है आपको? 1 रखना है. तो p of x, we are replacing x equals to 1 here. Then 5 into x equals to 1, x square minus 3 into 1 and plus it is 7. What we are getting? The square of 1 is 1, 1 into 5, it is 5. then 3 into 1, it is -3, and plus it is 7. 7 and 5 are of the positive sign. कितना हो जाएगा? 12, and minus of 3, that is equals to 9. That means when we are putting x equals to 1 in this polynomial, we are getting the value of p of 1 is equals to. तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या वैल्यू फाइंड आउट की है? इसके लिए मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ इसको. तो p of 1 is equals to 9. ये फाइनल वैल्यू होगी इस पॉलिनोमियल की. सेकंड क्या दिया हुआ है? y equals to 2 पुट करना है यहाँ पे. So we are going to putting the y of 2 is q of y is given to you. So this is the polynomial q, and y is to be replacing by 2. Then it is 3 into 2. y की वैल्यू का क्या क्यूब हो रहा है? Then minus of 4 into 2 and plus under root 11. सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं इसको. 3 into क्यूब ऑफ 2 is 8, माइनस 4 into 2 कितना हो जाएगा? 8 हो जाएगा, एंड प्लस अंडर रूट ऑफ 11. देन 8 3 जा मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट इज 24 minus 8 प्लस अंडर रूट 11. नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे इसको. 24 minus 8 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? दैट इज finally we are getting the value of q of 2 is equals to, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. 24 minus 8 कितना आ जाएगा? 14. 14 में से 8 जाएंगे, कितना आ जाएगा? 6 बनेगा. तो ये हो जाएगा आपके पास 16 प्लस ऑफ रूट 11. चेक कर लीजिए, यहाँ पे सॉल्व किया हुआ है. हियर इट इज 16 प्लस रूट 11 इसका आंसर है. Now third part, we are going to simplify the third part. What is out? मैं इसको यहाँ सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. तो t की जगह क्या रखना है? We have to replacing t equals to क्या कितना दिया हुआ है? a दिया हुआ है. तो ये पॉलिनोमियल कितना हो जाएगा? t equals to a पुट करेंगे. देन ये जो थर्ड पार्ट है, दिस इज p of a is equals to 4 times of a to the power 4 plus 5 times of a to the power 3 minus of a whole square plus 6, and finally we are getting this value p of a is equals to, it is 4 times of a4 plus 5 times of a cube minus a square plus 6. This is the value of polynomial. A is equals to 4a to the power 4 plus 5a to the power cube and minus a square plus 6. So here it is. यहाँ पर इसको सॉल्व किया हुआ था, ये मैंने आपको सॉल्व करके बता दिया है. इस तरीके से हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ p of a. Now consider the polynomial px equals to x minus 1. Px, this is the polynomial only, this one. What is p equals to 1? When we are putting p equals to 1 here, so p1, so it is 1 minus 1, that is 0. That means as after putting x equals to 1 in the given polynomial, and we found that the value of the polynomial becomes 0. That means we say 1 is the 0 of the polynomial px. जिस वैल्यू के लिए पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू 0 हो जाए, वो उसका 0 कहलाएगा. Similarly, you can check that 2 is 0 of qx as q equals to x minus 2. अगर आपको q minus x, q equals to x minus 2 दिया हुआ है, then this will give you, we are going to finding out, put x equals to 2 at the place of x, then it is 2 minus 2, that is equals to 0. So in general, what is the definition of 0 of the polynomial? In general, we say that a 0 of a polynomial px is the number c such that p of c equals to 0. If at the place of x we have to replacing any number c and the polynomial becomes 0, then that is particularly the value of that particular x is known to be 0 of the polynomial. So you must have observed that 0 of a polynomial of x minus 1 कब 0 हो रहा है? When we have to putting x equals to 1. Say p of x equals to 0 is a polynomial equation and 1 is the root of the polynomial. इसका मतलब कि ये जो 1 है इस polynomial equation का एक root होगा, value होगी. So we say that 1 is the 0 of the polynomial x minus 1 or a root of the polynomial equation x minus 1 equals to 0. तो इसकी जो इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगी x minus 1 equals to 0. तो इसको जब आप सॉल्व करोगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? This minus 1 taking to the either side, so we can getting it is x equals to minus की टर्म में either side जाएगी, कितना हो जाएगा? 1 आ जाएगा. तो ये इसकी एक वैल्यू हो गई, रूट आ गया हमारे पास. Now consider the constant polynomial. Suppose कोई वैल्यू कांस्टेंट दी है, suppose 5 is there. Can you tell what is the zero of is? इसका जीरो क्या होगा? It has no zero because of replacing x by any number in. तो इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं 5 into x to the power 0. Now what is the value of x to the power 0? It is 1. Still it gives us 5. In fact, a non-zero constant polynomial has no zero. अगर कोई आपके पास non-zero constant है तो उसका कोई भी जीरो नहीं होगा. What about the zeros of the zeros polynomial? By convention, every real number is a zero of a zero polynomial. Every number, real number is a zero of the zero polynomial. Now example third, इसमें चेक करते हैं क्या कहा है. Check whether -2 and 2 are the zeros of the polynomial. इनमें से कौन सा इसका एक जीरो होगा? तो we have to let us suppose px equals to, इसको सपोज कर लेंगे हमने इसको सपोज कर लिया, it is a polynomial in x. तो px equals to x plus 2. now put, हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है, एक तो -2 पुट करने का है और दूसरा +2. तो हमने पहले +2 पुट किया. we are putting +2, it is value is equals to +4, which is not equals to 0. Now if we are putting x equals to -2, put p of -2 equals to -2 plus 2, both are cancel out and it is equals to 0. That means therefore -2 is the zero of the polynomial x plus 2, but 2 is not. As we are getting the p of -2 equals to 0, then we can say x equals to -2 is the zero of the polynomial px. ये polynomial px का जीरो होगा. Next example 4, find a zero of the polynomial. अगर आपको जीरो फाइंड आउट करना है इसका polynomial of 2x plus 1, तो finding the zero of the polynomial is the same as the solving the equation. जीरो फाइंड आउट करना तो हम px को क्या करेंगे? जीरो पुट कर देंगे. Putting px equals to 0, then what happens? So what is the value of px is? Here it is. तो हम इसको ऐसा लिख सकते हैं px is equals to 2x plus 1 equals to 0, which is implying that we are keeping 2x as it is. This plus 1 to taking to either side, it becomes -1. And then finally we are dividing multiple of x. Multiple कितना है? 2. इसको यहाँ डिवाइड कर देते हैं दूसरी साइड के अंदर. So it is minus of 1/2. That means if we are putting x equals to -1/2, this polynomial becomes 0. Look at it. Here it is. This is the value. X equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 is the zero of the polynomial 2x plus 1. Now, in general, अगर आपको कुछ polynomial दिया हुआ है, that is px equals to ax plus b, where a is not equals to 0, is a linear polynomial. How can we find the zero of px? So polynomial का zero find out करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा हमको? जो भी polynomial दिया हुआ है, whatever is the polynomial is given to us, we have to putting that polynomial equals to 0. उस polynomial को हम 0 कर देंगे. That means px equals to 0. So when we are taking px equals to 0, this plus b taking to either side, it is minus b. Then in the next step, we are dividing this a to this side. So x equals to minus b by a. If we are putting x equals to minus b by a here, it becomes, this polynomial becomes 0. So look at here, px दिया हुआ है, मैं इसको verify करके बता देता हूँ आपको. px is equals to, it is ax plus b. तो x की जगह क्या रखना है? minus b by a. So p of minus b by a is equals to a into minus b by a and plus b. So this a and a will be cancelled out. What is here? It is only remaining minus b and plus b, which is equals to 0. So x equals to minus b by a is the only zero of px. क्यों केवल एक ही जीरो क्यों होगा? Because of जो पॉलिनोमियल px है वो कैसा है? लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल. अगर लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है तो इसका वन एंड ओनली वन, केवल और केवल एक ही जीरो होगा. ओके, नाउ वी कैन से दैट 1 is the zero of x minus 1 and minus 2 is the zero of x plus 2. तो ये लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल है हमारे पास x minus 1. इसको करेंगे पुट करेंगे 0 के बराबर, तो x की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? 1. If we are putting x plus 2 is equals to 0, then we are getting the value of x is equals to minus 2. Now we have to verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial. क्या 2 और 2 and 0 इसके polynomial, इस polynomial के zeros हैं या नहीं? So let us, we have to start with the given polynomial is to be written as a px. तो पहले हम क्या करेंगे? इस केस के अंदर हम x equals to 2 पुट कर देंगे इस polynomial में. Suppose this is 1, x equals to 2, 2 square minus 4 equals to 4 minus 4 equals to 0. So we are getting here the p of 2 is equals to 0. That means this x equals to 0. x equals to 2 जो है यहाँ पर x equals to 2 जो है इसका एक 0 होगा. x equals to 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. And दूसरे जो वैल्यू दी हुई है 0, इसको पुट करेंगे. Put x equals to 0. So at the place of x put 0. So square of 0 is 0 and 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 0, it is again 0. So we are finding out here that the p of 0, when we are replacing x by 0, this is also 0. So x equals to 0 is the 0 of the given polynomials. Hence 2 and 0 both are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Now let us now list our observations. क्या क्या observations हमने की हैं अभी तक? A zero of a polynomial need not to be 0. Zero of a polynomial need not to be 0. 0 may be a zero of a polynomial. जैसा इस केस के अंदर है 0, यहाँ पर x की वैल्यू क्या पुट की थी हमने? 0 पुट की थी, तो पॉलिनोमियल की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 0 आ गई. So a 0 may be a zero of the polynomial. Every linear polynomial has one and only one zero. अगर linear polynomial है तो उसका एक और केवल एक ही जीरो होगा. और polynomial can have more than one zero. अगर linear के बाद quadratic हो जाएगा तो ये देखो ये quadratic हो गया. x के highest power कितनी है? 2 है तो इसके कितने जीरो आए, 2 आए। अगर क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल होगा तो मे भी हो सकता है कि उसके एक से ज्यादा जीरो हो और 3 भी हो सकते हैं ओवरऑल। सो दिस इज all about the how we can finding out the zeros of the polynomial, and in the next class we have to solving the problem from exercise 2.2. Till then you should try to find the value of the polynomial in equation 1 and try to simplify the remaining questions of the exercise 2.2. If you are not able to find out the solution or you feel any difficulty, please ask me in the discussion forum on the website, or I will discuss the solution of this exercise 2.2 in the next class. This is all about from my side. Thank you very much for being watching this video solution of zero of the polynomial of the chapter 2 polynomials. Thank you very much.